Gonna make Indian fry bread. I'm using buttermilk, roughly a cup and a half, teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 4 cups of flour. So we'll mix all the dry ingredients together. And then add my buttermilk. This is 1 cup so far. Continue to mix until it all combines together. So I'm gonna need a little more buttermilk. Put another, try another cup. So a total of 2 cups. So I put a little olive oil on my hands to try to help keep the flour from sticking, but I don't think that's working. So get your hands in there and continue to knead and combine all your ingredients. After combining all your ingredients, it should look something like this. So now I like to put a little bit of olive oil on top. Keep it from drying out because I want to put a paper or a towel over it and let it sit for, I like to let it sit for an hour so the baking powder rises just a little bit. Placing in hot vegetable oil. Let's take a couple minutes per side and golden brown. Good thing about fry bread is versatile. You could either make Indian tacos, or you could put cinnamon and honey or butter on it. So out of the 4 cups of flour, I got 9, I'd say like 7-inch round fry breads.